Hi everybody, this is Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist, I love working with individuals who are 65 plus who are working through an illness or an injury. Okay, so today's video is actually going to be about choking. Okay, so what are the current conditions in which choking can be a hazard? Okay, individuals with Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's, dementia, there's a difference. Okay, stroke, GERD, um, traumatic brain injury or a TBI, cerebral palsy, ill-fitting dentures, or tooth decay. Okay, so what are the 4 common causes of choking? Okay, eating and drinking too fast, too much, not chewing long enough to actually break down the food, small bones or pieces within the food, or inhaling objects. And yes, people do swallow objects as they get older. Sometimes it is hallucinations. Other times it could be with dementia where they think that that marble is a piece of candy. Okay, those things really do happen. Okay, so today's video is about what to do when you're in a choking episode. Okay, so step number 1 is always call 911. Because even if you can dislodge whatever it is that you're choking on, just call 911 so then that way at least somebody else can check up and to make sure there's no residual effects from choking on a piece of meat or something like that. I have worked with individuals who did choke on a piece of meat or a piece of food, and they ended up having a stroke as a result of the oxygen being cut off during that time that they were choking. Okay. Pneumonia can become an issue if somebody's been choking, especially on liquids, and they're trying to clear their throat. The drink can go into the lungs rather than down their throat. Okay, so those are really legitimate concerns. Okay. So one of my guys that I've been seeing brought up about what to do if he chokes by himself. Okay, so there are Heimlich maneuvers that you can do when you're by yourself. Okay, one of them is actually using a chair, in which you put the chair right where the diaphragm is to help get the food out. Okay, but I actually found another way on Amazon. Okay, you guys ready? Let me show you. Okay, so one of the items that I found on Amazon is actually called the DeChoker. Okay, and it's a product that you could actually use to help aid removing food that gets stuck in your mouth. Okay, and so it uses the power of a suction. So here's the suction. Okay, here's the mouthpiece. So this goes chin, nose, and then this tube actually goes in the middle of your mouth, okay, in above your tongue. So then that way it can get the piece of food from your throat to come out, okay? And what I really enjoy about this object is that not only does it have these amazing instructions, okay? I'm a picture person, but hey, if you need to read to learn how to use an object, this this is some great instructions. Okay. But also, if you're like in the midst of it, on the product itself, not only is it numbered about what to do, okay? See how number 1 is always call 911. Number 2 is identifying the choking, getting down onto the floor, okay? Putting the apparatus on your mouth, over your mouth, using the suction, okay, to pull. You see how the food item gets attached to that tube. Okay, you roll onto your side to, take a breather, because yeah, it is scary when you're in the moment of yourself choking, or if you see somebody near you choking as well. All right, if you have any comments or concerns, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below. If you really like this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.